Now, before we get into the video, this one's probably going to be the most valuable video I've put out yet. On the marketing end of things, this is going to bring you in many subscribers into your model's OnlyFans account. So all I ask, if you are watching this, make sure you subscribe to the channel right now, because I'm putting out weekly content on how you can scale your OnlyFans management agency, how to make more money, how to get more creators, etc. Now, I'm sure you've all seen videos exactly like this on your For You page. I'm going to go through a few just so you can get an understanding of what I'm exactly talking about. Here we have this one, we have this one, we have this one, and this one. Now, obviously they're all AI created, right? All of this is AI generated content. Now, what most individuals are doing and what most agencies are doing are cloning their real model on OnlyFans and putting out unlimited marketing content just like this to funnel back into their OnlyFans account instead of waiting around for a week or two for their model to actually create the content they need. With AI, you can do it at a few clicks of a button and you can print out unlimited quality content and post it all on social media. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, how you can get generations just like this for your OnlyFans model. Now, it's as simple as this, guys. First thing, we're going to do it with this account. I'll show you exactly how we can get the prompt, the sound, and everything you possibly need to make sure this reel goes viral and it works on social media. First of all, what we're going to do is we're going to screenshot the first image of this. Then we're going to go into ChatGPT, input it, and tell ChatGPT to reverse engineer the prompt of this video for us. Now we've got the prompt here, all we're gonna do is copy the prompt, go into Higgsfield, and as you can see, we create our thumbnails, we create everything basically from Higgsfield in itself. Then what you're going to wanna do is input your model images. Now for this example, we're gonna do Sophie Rain, just so you can get an understanding without actually leaking my creators. Now it's extremely important you're only inputting face-on pictures of her. Doesn't really need to be anything else. The AI just needs to understand the face of the model. After that, we're going to generate some generations for Higgsfield to have a look at the images, look at the prompts, and make a clip for us that we can reuse on social media. Now, while we are waiting for this, we're going to go on to the second image so we can get that also. Exact same thing, you want to go onto ChatGPT and you just want to tell ChatGPT to reverse engineer the prompt. Now, once we have the prompt of this image, we're going to do the exact same thing, go into Higgsfield, input it, and get some generations for the video. So as you can see, the images are coming out quite well. So we have our example image of Sophie Rain here with the text on screen. It's a different type of text style, but it still will work. We have some more images here with her eyes closed here. If you don't want the text on screen, all you simply do is just take the text on screen out of the prompt, and you can add the text on screen after if you wish. And then again, we have the second prompt here, which is quite well also. Both of the images match the model in itself, Sophie Rain. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna find the best two images. For this one, we like this one and we like this one. So we're gonna download this and we're gonna download this. The next thing we're gonna do is go back into Instagram and we are gonna copy the link of the post, go to Instagram sound downloader, and we're simply gonna save the audio of the post so we can input it into CapCut after. So now we have the audio of the post and now we have the two clips. All we're simply gonna do is go into CapCut. We're gonna find the two clips that we just downloaded. We're then gonna input the two clips into CapCut, put them side by side, get the audio also, put it into CapCut. Then we're gonna play around the generation to make sure it looks good and syncs with the audio.
Wanna see a magic trick? Good. Abracadabra.
So it's gonna be like this, right?
Good. Abracadabra.
So we're gonna stop it right here and we are going to edit this out. We're gonna zoom this out to here and this will be how the reel looks in exact. And also with this, you also wanna zoom it in, make sure the image is moving around at the same time. So it's not just a static image because people will obviously click off the reel. You wanna make sure it's zoomed in slowly and then zoom out, etc. This is just an example. We're looking at this one. We go back to this one. As you can see, it slightly fades in, zooms in at the same time, and then you get the image at the end. Now, how to exactly edit these videos in CapCut to get the exact transformation that you want within the video? All you wanna do is select it here, put a keyframe in CapCut, and then go to the very end of the video where you want it to zoom in, put another keyframe, scale it up a bit so it zooms in, and then put a fade in the start. And this is what the video will look like.
Wanna see a magic trick? Good. Abracadabra.
So as you can see, it's the exact same one as we have here. exact same style, just a different model in itself. Now, if we want to do it with a video style, just like this video, all we're gonna do is download this video, put it into a video downloader, just like this, an Instagram video downloader, put the link in, download the video, put it into ChatGPT, and get ChatGPT to reverse engineer the prompt in the video so you can put it into Kling.ai. As you can see, here it's reverse engineered, watch the video within itself, and has given us all we need to know. Here is the prompt. All we need to do is copy it, put it into Kling.ai with this image. Now, to get this image is the exact same. All you want to do is screenshot the first frame, go into Nano Banana Pro, put in the prompt that ChatGPT gives you, and you'll get something like this. And as you can see, this is the final generation. Now, of course, there's a little bit of a glitch at the start, but all you do is edit this in CapCut to start the video here, and it ends up being the exact same video as the one we just watched, if not even better.